यूनिसेफ की कार्यपालक निदेशक हेनरिटा एच फोरे ने विश्व के सभी देशों से अपील की है कि वे बच्चों को कोरोना वायरस के संक्रमण से बचाएं। उन्होंने यूनिसेफ के प्रमुख होने के नाते एक वीडियो जारी किया है जिसमें कहा गया है कि किसी भी देश के बच्चे सबसे वल्नरेबल ग्रुप के हैं। उन्होंने खाड़ी देशों में हो रही गोलीबारी को तत्काल बंद करने और शरणार्थी कैंप में रह रहे लोगों और बच्चों को बुनियादी सुविधाएं मुहैया कराने की अपील की है। उन्होंने कहा है कि कोरोना वायरस तेजी से विश्व के कई देशों में फैल चुका है। अफ्रीका, मध्य पूर्व खाड़ी के देश, आसियान देशों के समक्ष बड़ी चुनौती है क्योंकि वहां की स्थिति सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग की सुविधा नहीं प्रदान कर सकती। हमें मानवता के लिए सजग रहना होगा।
If, like me, you've been working remotely for a week already, congratulations for making it to week 2. If you're just starting, trust me, things will get easier with some discipline and some routine. I'm sure you're all following the news. COVID-19 infections are continuing to soar, and they are quickly reaching the most vulnerable. I'm very worried about children and their families living in refugee camps and densely populated areas where health infrastructure is limited or poor. In these settings, it can be almost impossible to access health services or practice physical distancing, daily hygiene, and self-isolation. The UN Secretary General today said that he's calling for a global ceasefire. That is certainly a call all of us should rally behind. COVID-19 has become the world's #1 common enemy, and it is time for all countries to unite against it. On Wednesday, I will be joining the United Nations Secretary General and my colleagues at the World Health Organization and the Office for the Coordination of Humanitarian Affairs in a donor appeal. We will be asking our donors to help us help children and their families in these difficult times. For us at UNICEF, children must remain a priority. They need to know how to protect themselves and their communities from infection. They need to continue with their learning. They need to stay physically and mentally healthy, and they need to be protected. Our operations must continue because children's lives depend on us, and we cannot do that without your support. Thank you again for watching. Be sure to visit unicef.org/coronavirus for tips on how to keep yourselves and your children informed, safe, and healthy.